Is serum and essence both are same? This is going to be controversial, and if you want to know the difference between the serum and essence and how to use them, this video is for you. Hey guys, this is Ganga back with another video, and I create content regarding beauty, fashion, DIY, product review and pregnancy care, and if you're interested in any of these, please consider subscribing and join my family. So if you're a beginner in skincare, this serum and essence topic is so confusing. I can completely understand, okay? Let it be any product, for them to work properly and give the maximum result, we have to layer the skincare products properly. So to know how to layer them, I have made a separate video, okay? Take your time and please watch it. You can see them in the iCard or you can check in the description box, okay? So now let's get into the main part of the video. So what is essence? Essence is something originated from Korean beauty industry, okay? They look very similar to toner. So today for the example I'm going to show you, and essence, this is essence you guys. Looks exactly like toner, watery. So when compared to serum, this essence is much light in consistency. So that is the reason they penetrate deep into skin. For example, this crystal micro essence, they have mentioned they can penetrate deep into 10 layers. So yeah, this essence have high level of active ingredients, so they can be used for different skin concern, and this adds one more layer of hydration. So if you have dry skin, this essence is seriously going to help you. So serum, when compared to essence, they are little thick in consistency, okay? So yeah, they are not watery, they are not oily, mostly they are foamy or gel based. So yeah, this is the consistency. So today I have taken this Saint Botanica hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E serum. Nice serum. So yeah, so as I said, serums are little thick in consistency, so we are supposed to apply it next to essence and before moisturizer, so that they lock the skincare wonders. So serums are so versatile, they are my favorite, okay? So I love to use them even before applying makeup, or I use it as my nighttime skincare routine, or I use it just for hydration also. My favorite part in skincare is serum. And one more thing, serums can be used for different various skin concern. There are serums for particularly for brightening your skin. There are serums for acne scar. There are serums for pigmentation issues. There are serums for anti-aging. So serums are so versatile. So generally both essence and serum are very similar to an extent. To my opinion, if you're a beginner, if you want to invest in just one product, I will tell you go with serum, because serum can be used for a lot of purposes. Such a versatile product. So thank you so much, sweethearts. I hope this video was really useful to you. So from my end, if you ask me to recommend a product for essence, I will highly recommend this L'Oreal Revital Lift, okay? Such a beautiful essence, and even Good Vibes have very affordable essence. And I'm currently loving serum. I'm using this Saint Botanicas, and my all-time favorite is Good Vibes vitamin C serum, and I love their rosehip serum so much. So if you like this, very similar to toner. So the next step to toner is essence. Always rub your toner in your palm and just so serum, after applying essence, leave the 30 seconds, okay, and apply your serum. Just take 2 or 3 pumps. Very little is enough. We all do the mistake, we apply more because we want to get that more benefit. It's not going to work that way, because they got very good active ingredients, so you need very less quantity. So just do this on, tap it, never rub it, tap. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, okay? I'll catch another interesting video. So be generous, share this video with all your girlfriends. Oh, see you. Bye bye.